nigga. He was like a father figure, showed me the bigger picture. Fuck slaying on the corner, don't let the pigs get ya.